Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the DEWALT 20 volt Max Lithium-Ion LED Worklight. One of the things it has going for it, it's bright, and it's only 110 lumens. Take a look. So this was one of the tools that we looked at in the 8-piece DEWALT combo set. I'll put a link to it right here above. I'll also put a link in the description below for this tool. Now I'm going to be honest with you guys, if you're looking for something fancy that's going to transform and it has magnets on it and it's going to do this and it's going to do that, this is not the light for you. The fanciest thing on this is it has a couple belt clip holes and the light swivels. Now this does not come with the battery if you buy it separately. It does come with the battery if you buy the kit. Now it does have a hook on here. You can hang this if you want. It's not like you can actually hang this on a rafter or anything. It just has one of those U-hooks that you can put a tether around and carry it with you if you want. Now the head actually rotates up and down 120 degrees and it has positive stops on it. That's it. That's all it does. It does not turn left. It does not turn right. It doesn't swivel or anything. Just what you're seeing right here. The one thing I was surprised at though is that you can't adjust the beam. You can't turn that head and actually illuminate it out wider or more of into a pinpoint area. You also only have one light function, on and off. You don't have a high, you don't have a low, you just have an on and an off by pulling that trigger right there. One of the things I really like about the light, you can set that down right there on the table or wherever you're working and it'll stand up by itself, and just turn it and then adjust that head to aim at whatever area you're looking to get more light on. As far as build quality goes, it's pretty nice. It's a DEWALT, of course, so it's going to be better. But that being said, the head on here, the plastic just feels a little chintzy to me. I'm just being honest with you. But other than that, the rest of the body feels solid. Should definitely be able to hold up to a lot of abuse. Got a really nice grip right here. It's textured. You don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hands if your hands are wet. So that does feel pretty good, and it goes around the palm of your hand really nicely. Now let's take a look at how bright this thing actually is. Alright, we're out in the backyard, overcast all day, very dark outside, no stars. Check out how bright this thing is. I was really surprised about the distance and how well it actually illuminated that larger area. Now again, this is only 110 lumen, so I was not expecting it to be that bright or go that far. Now again, it would have been nice to be able to spread that beam out a little bit because you have that very bright single pinpoint right there. But again, it's just a flashlight. Now it's not waterproof, it's probably water resistant, but you have that electrical board in there, so it's not going to be able to, submerge or anything like that and hold up. So you want to keep that in mind as well. Now DEWALT also claims that you never have to change the bulb on this light here, and it does not give off any heat, but it is a brighter LED. It's not that soft warm, it's a very bright daylight bulb, so you're looking at about 5000 K. Now the wattage on this, 1.8. I will tell you, it's really light. Without the battery, you're only looking about 0.625 pounds. As far as warranty goes, you're looking at about a 3-year limited warranty. Now again, it's not one of those lights where you're going to be able to do all these cool things with and adjust it here and adjust it there. It's just a flashlight, and it's going to illuminate an area in tighter spaces for you. One of the things I'd like to see different brightnesses. I'd like to see it high. I would like to see a low. I'd also like to be able to adjust that head, that beam width if I wanted to. But other than that, it'll get the job done. I'm really surprised with how bright it is. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at toolreviewzone.com. We'll be back with more videos soon.